Inside this diamond cutting factory, rough stones are transformed into jewelry worth millions of dollars. Behind secure doors, expert cutters shape some of the most valuable gemstones in the world.
Security is extremely tight because each rough diamond can be worth hundreds of thousands.
At first glance, rough diamonds look ordinary, cloudy, and far from brilliant.
Yet once cut and polished, these stones can reach extraordinary prices in global markets.
Diamond cutting is a specialized industry, combining precision engineering and artistic craftsmanship. Advanced laser scanners map internal flaws before any cutting decision is made. Software calculates the most profitable cut while minimizing material loss.
High-precision lasers split the stone along exact crystallographic directions. Cleaving follows natural crystal planes to maximize clarity and brilliance. Rooting shapes the stone into its basic round form before faceting begins.
Facet placement determines how light will reflect and sparkle inside the stone. Each facet is cut with extreme precision to create symmetry and balance. The table facet is formed carefully, defining the diamond's primary reflective surface.
Crown facets control brilliance by directing light toward the viewer.
Pavilion angles are critical because they determine internal light reflection. Final polishing reveals the brilliant sparkle hidden inside the rough stone.
Even tiny differences in carat weight can significantly affect final value.
Laser inscription adds a unique identity number for traceability.
Precision mounting secures the diamond while maximizing its brilliance.
Final polishing enhances both metal shine and gemstone sparkle.
From rough crystal to luxury masterpiece, transformation is complete.
500,000, do I hear 600,000? Looking for 600,000, sold for 500,000.
Precision cutting transforms carbon into one of the world's most valuable materials.
Next, we explore the business secrets behind million-dollar diamonds.
The real profit in diamonds comes from precision cutting that maximizes brilliance and resale value.
Rough diamonds are priced by size, clarity potential, color, and market demand.
Cut planners aim to maximize yield while preserving carat weight and brilliance.
Significant material is lost during cutting, making precision planning absolutely critical.
High-value stones can take weeks of detailed cutting and polishing work.
Expert cutters rely on years of experience to avoid costly mistakes.
Advanced laser equipment requires major investment, but ensures unmatched accuracy.
Certification dramatically increases buyer confidence and final selling price. The 4 C's, cut, color, clarity, and carat, define overall market value.
Color grading determines subtle differences that influence pricing significantly.
Even microscopic inclusions can impact overall value and grading classification.
Precise angles maximize internal reflection, creating unmatched sparkle.
Wholesale markets move high volumes before stones reach luxury retailers.
Luxury brands select only the finest stones for high-end collections.
Exceptional diamonds can break auction records worldwide.
Market demand shifts based on economic conditions and luxury trends.
Lab-grown diamonds are rising competitors in the global jewelry market.
Luxury presentation enhances perceived value and emotional impact.
Retail showcases use lighting to maximize brilliance and attract buyers. For many customers, diamonds symbolize commitment and lasting value.
Powerful. Custom designs add uniqueness and elevate final price dramatically.
Precious metals complement the brilliance of the finished gemstone.
Final inspection ensures flawless alignment and secure mounting. Online platforms expand global access to premium diamond collections.
Rare masterpieces can command million-dollar price tags. From rough carbon crystal to luxury icon, every step adds value. Next, we explore how technology is transforming modern diamond cutting.
Diamond cutting is evolving fast, combining traditional skill with advanced scanning, lasers, and automation.
AI software predicts the best cut, balancing brilliance, carat retention, and maximum profit.
CT scanning reveals hidden inclusions inside the stone, reducing risk before cutting begins.
Automated lasers follow digital plans exactly, producing cleaner cuts and minimizing costly errors.
Robotic positioning systems hold stones steady, enabling consistent angles during cutting and polishing.
Sensor feedback controls pressure and heat, protecting the diamond and improving facet accuracy. Angle verification ensures facets meet ideal geometry for maximum light return and sparkle.
Optical inspection detects micro scratches and confirms polish quality before certification.
Laser inscription adds permanent identification, helping trace the stone through the supply chain.
Digital traceability systems help verify origin, certification, and ownership across global markets.
New facilities reduce waste and energy use while maintaining premium cutting quality. Lab-grown diamonds continue expanding, pushing the industry to adapt and innovate rapidly.
Experts use advanced tests to distinguish natural stones from lab-grown alternatives. Despite competition, luxury demand remains strong for rare, expertly cut natural diamonds.
Wax prototypes are printed quickly, allowing rapid testing of shape and fit before casting. Modern casting methods improve accuracy, creating settings that hold diamonds securely and elegantly.
Assisted setting tools improve alignment, reducing risk when working with high-value stones. Even retail lighting is engineered to maximize sparkle and elevate perceived value instantly.
High-quality visuals power global online sales, reaching customers far beyond physical boutiques.
Security tech keeps inventory protected with biometric access, cameras, and strict tracking.
Technology increases accuracy, reduces waste, and improves consistency across high-volume cutting operations.
Even with advanced tools, true brilliance still depends on human judgment and craftsmanship. Every step transforms a rough crystal into a polished gemstone, ready for luxury jewelry.
The diamond's value rises at each stage as precision and certification build trust and rarity.
In the end, the finished jewelry becomes a symbol of luxury, emotion, and lasting investment.
This is how rough stones become million-dollar diamonds through precision cutting and expert craftsmanship.
If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes process, like and subscribe for more luxury factory secrets.
Rare colored diamonds, such as pink or blue stones, can command extraordinary multi-million-dollar valuations.
Before auction, high-value diamonds are presented under carefully controlled showcase lighting.
Some collectors treat rare diamonds as alternative long-term investment assets. Planners may divide one rough stone into multiple smaller diamonds for maximum combined value. Tiny angle adjustments can dramatically improve brilliance and internal light reflection.
Perfect symmetry creates the famous hearts and arrows optical pattern in ideal cuts.
Super ideal cuts reflect more light, increasing both beauty and resale value.
When cut correctly, diamonds produce intense fire and brilliant white light flashes.
Luxury brands collaborate closely with cutting factories for exclusive, high-value pieces.
High-profile events often feature diamonds sourced from elite cutting workshops.
When not displayed, valuable stones are stored inside high-security vault systems.
Global diamond hubs connect cutters, traders, designers, and retailers worldwide.
Fancy shapes like emerald or pear cuts require specialized angle precision.
Square cuts emphasize sharp symmetry and structured light reflection. Oval cuts create a graceful, elongated sparkle profile.
Marquise cuts maximize perceived size through extended pointed geometry.
Cushion cuts blend vintage elegance with modern brilliance performance.
Step-cut facets emphasize clarity and geometric depth.
Natural blue diamonds are among the rarest and most expensive gemstones.
Complex high jewelry pieces require meticulous multi-stone alignment. Presentation transforms craftsmanship into unforgettable luxury experiences.
Behind every brilliant diamond stands a master cutter with extraordinary skill.
From rough carbon crystal to radiant masterpiece, precision defines every stage.
Precision, technology, and artistry combine to create million-dollar brilliance. Subscribe for more exclusive insights inside the world's most valuable industries.
Now, the industry is moving into a new era of automation, traceability, and next-level precision cutting. Automated scanning lines process large volumes quickly while capturing detailed data for each stone.
AI predicts internal flaws and suggests safer cut paths before any material is removed.
Smarter laser control reduces kerf loss, preserving weight and increasing the final carat value. Robotic faceting stations maintain perfect angles repeatedly, improving consistency across premium production.
Real-time analytics detect micro-scratches instantly, preventing defects from reaching certification stages. Digital certification links grading data directly to the stone's identity for stronger buyer confidence. Blockchain tracking can document ownership history, supporting authenticity and transparent resale markets.
Modern buyers demand sustainability, pushing factories to document sourcing and reduce environmental impact.
Energy-efficient systems reduce operating costs while maintaining precise lighting for high-detail cutting.
Lab-grown production continues expanding, reshaping pricing and competition across the jewelry industry.
Natural diamonds remain premium, especially rare stones with strong certification and exceptional cut quality.
Automated design tools accelerate custom jewelry, matching settings to each diamond perfectly.
Rapid prototyping speeds up complex projects, reducing development time for luxury collections.
Improved casting methods produce cleaner, stronger settings that hold high-value diamonds securely.
Microscope-assisted setting reduces risk, ensuring perfect alignment and maximum sparkle in the final piece.
Final quality control confirms secure mounting, perfect polish, and flawless presentation for buyers.
Luxury packaging completes the experience, turning a gemstone into a high-emotion purchase moment.
Wait, there's a slight glare on the emerald cut.
Let me try adjusting with the tweezers. How does that look now?
Perfect. Running the sequence.
Trend forecasts guide production, helping cutters and brands focus on shapes and sizes buyers want.
At the highest end, a single rare diamond can become a museum-level object of global attention.
Technology improves precision, but craftsmanship still decides how beautiful the final diamond truly becomes.
Each stage adds value through precision, certification, and presentation, until the stone becomes luxury jewelry. In the end, brilliance is engineered, created by perfect angles, flawless polish, and expert decisions.
This is the diamond cutting process, where industry secrets turn rough stones into million-dollar jewelry.
From workshop to showcase, every detail is designed to create maximum sparkle and maximum value.
Thanks for watching this factory tour of diamonds, cutting, polishing, and luxury jewelry creation. Please like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos from the world's most valuable industries.